Pickens County traffic, RV6 Whiskey Sierra is taxiing from the T hangars to runway 16 at Pickens.
I have a short one for you today. I just had the oil change, so I want to make a short flight to ensure that everything is okay. Today, I changed the mount for the GoPro to give you a different point of view. You can see the full panel as well as the outside. While we taxi to the runway, let me show you a traffic alert on the Garmin in case you're not familiar with it. Someone is in a left close pattern today. You'll hear him call out his base leg. And you can see a white diamond move across the screen from right to left. That's him at a distance.
Pickens, 586 Juliet, left base runway 16 Pickens.
As he gets closer to us now, the white diamond is going to assume the shape of a yellow circle or a moon. If this happened in flight, it would get your attention. The yellow moon means a collision is imminent. We took off and flew around a little bit. Fast forward now to the return at home. Here's the last 500 feet of the approach and landing. It's a beautiful day, but windy. I'm used to a little turbulence on final, but today, well, it was a bit iffy.
500.
Pickens County traffic, RV6 Whiskey Sierra, 1 mile final, runway 16 at Pickens.
Because of the winds, I'm flying the approach today at 80. Down the runway some, everything smoothed out. Touchdown just at the bottom of the white arc.
Pickens County traffic, RV6 Whiskey Sierra is clear of the active at Pickens County.
I got some gas and then put her up in the hangar. Let her rest a little bit until the next time we fly. Well, when we do, come along with us on this YouTube channel. Hope to see you then.